everybody. This is my new baby kitty. Her name is Kiwi, and she's a beautiful tabby kitty. Say hi, Kiki. You're so pretty. Mwah. I love her a lot, and actually I have 3 baby kitties, and she's the only one that does not have the eye infection, which is a good thing. I'm going crazy. I gotta keep cleaning the other 2 kitties like more than 3 times a day. Their eye infection is like really bad. Just in case it gets any worse, I'm gonna have to take them to the vet clinic. So I don't know. Say hi, baby girl. Hi, Kiwi. Say hi, Kiwi. Look it. Yay. I always wanted to have a therapeutic pet, and now I have one. Well, now I have 3. Hi, Kiwi. You're so beautiful. And the blue harness she's wearing right now, it doesn't exactly fit her that well. It's a little bit too big for her, but it's better than not putting a harness on her, because I don't want her jumping or running away or anything. Look how pretty you are, Kiwi. I also want to make this video for all my friends too. My friends are really happy to see pictures and videos of my cats, my beautiful baby kitties. Say hello to New York City, baby Kiwi. Bye bye.